Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. So today in this class we are going to continue our chapter crop production and management. So in the last class we discussed about manure. Now we are going to discuss about fertilizers. So our topic was adding manure and fertilizers. Crop production and management. Our topic name was adding manure and fertilizer. So in the last class we discussed about manure and how manure form. Now in this class we will discuss about fertilizers. As I said, fertilizers are formed in the factories. How? Like a particular chemical which is used for the plant. That is why they are artificial and they are prepared in that manner. Like suppose we grow a particular plant in the soil and that took all the nutrients. Suppose I can say we grow crop like wheat in that soil and like एक ही सॉइल में बार बार क्रॉप वही सेम क्रॉप ग्रो किए ही जा रहे हैं तो that wheat crop take all the nitrogen from the soil. So what will happen? Nitrogen तो soil से गायब हो जाएगा. If the nitrogen which are required for the wheat plant to grow, crop to grow, so if I add if I add that nitrogen chemical into the soil which is made in factory will be known as fertilizer. So fertilizer एक specific nutrient में rich होता है. जैसे अभी just now I said if we needed a particular chemical, then we will use it as fertilizer. We will add that particular chemical into the soil and that is nothing but fertilizer. So I hope you understood that manure is natural and fertilizers is artificial. Okay. So fertilizers are rich in a specific nutrient. मतलब कौन से भी एक nutrient में rich होते हैं which are required by the plants. And they are produced in factories like NPK. So this is a fertilizer and like urea, ammonium sulfate, potash. So wait. So what is the full form of this NPK? So students, in chemistry, N means sodium metal and P means phosphorus and K means potassium. So this is rich in three chemicals. If I add these into the soil, what will happen? It will increase these three nutrients in the soil. These fertilizers help the farmers to get better crops like wheat, paddy and maize. I hope you understood this. So fertilizers क्या होते हैं? They are artificial. Why? Because they are prepared or they are synthesized in the factories. They are chemicals. Are they good? They are not that much good for the soil. ज्यादा यूज फर्टिलाइजर्स का करने से क्या होगा? ज्यादा एक्सेसिव यूज ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर्स व्हाट विल हैपन? सबसे पहले तो वो सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी को एक टाइम के बाद डिक्रीज कर देंगे एंड वन मोर थिंग दे काउज वाटर पोल्यूशन. वाटर पोल्यूशन मीन्स मालूम है, इफ यू ड्रिंक दैट वाटर, अगर आपको वो पानी पीना पड़े तो वो वाटर आपके बॉडी में बहुत ज्यादा डिसीजेस कॉज कर सकता है. as they cause water pollution. Fertilizers cause water pollution. Excessive use is not good. तो what to do? किस तरीके से soil की fertility को बढ़ाया जाए but fertilizers कम use करके? For that we have a way like crop rotation. So let me tell you what crop rotation is. So suppose if I give an example, like मैं अपनी soil पे wheat crop grow करना चाहती हूँ. Next, if I grow paddy, like rice crop in the soil, same soil. So what will happen? Wheat ने जो nutrients लिए हैं वो nutrients rice नहीं लेगा, and rice take other nutrient from the soil. So in alternate way I can take wheat rice ऐसे grow करूंगी. But if I grow only wheat every time or only rice every time, what will happen? Soil को time ही नहीं मिलेगा कि वो अपने nutrients को restore या replenish कर पाए, तब अपने nutrients को वापस ले पाए. That is why alternate growing of crop, which is crop rotation, helps the soil to replenish the nutrients. It is nothing but alternate growing. Like कभी पैडी क्रॉप्स ग्रो कर सकते हैं, कभी व्हीट क्रॉप्स, व्हीट या राइस. मतलब एक ही क्रॉप को कंटिन्यूअसली ग्रो नहीं करना. अल्टरनेट ग्रोइंग मतलब एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक, लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ क्रॉप, दैट काइंड ऑफ ग्रोइंग, और we are doing rotation. That is why it is known as crop rotation. That is why crop rotation is the way to maintain the soil fertility. It helps to maintain the soil fertility. So I hope you understood this. Let's discuss about the difference between fertilizers and manure. Fertilizers and manure. So in the beginning itself we studied that जो artificially chemicals जो factories में synthesize होते हैं उन्हें ही हम fertilizers कहते हैं. So they are artificially made, means man-made. And manure is a natural substance जो कि एक्चुअल में फॉर्म होते हैं, जिसे डिकम्पोजर्स डिकम्पोज डेड और डीकेड एनिमल और प्लांट्स को डिकम्पोज करके दे प्रोड्यूस मैन्यूर. सो दे आर natural substance. As I said, fertilizers are prepared in factories. And manure can be prepared in the fields. So fertilizers are prepared in the factories, and manures can be prepared in the fields. And fertilizers does not provide any humus to the soil. But manure provide a lot of humus to the soil. They provide a lot of humus to the soil. And fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. But manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrient. They are more rich and they are less rich. मतलब इनमें प्लांट्स के न्यूट्रिएंट्स बहुत कम होते हैं, बट फर्टिलाइजर्स में प्लांट्स के न्यूट्रिएंट्स बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं. और कौन से न्यूट्रिएंट्स है वो? नाइट्रोजन, फास्फोरस एंड पोटेशियम.